Hey guys, and welcome back to a brand new video. My name is Rob Lane. Thank you very much for being here. Let's get straight into it. So hey guys, and welcome back to the channel. Today's video is just going to be a quick one. Obviously you may have guessed already by the title. It's to do with Nio Stocks. Now Nio is a Chinese EV manufacturer, so that is an electric vehicle manufacturer. And on January the 9th, last Saturday, they've just had Nio Day, which is essentially them revealing their latest lineup of vehicles. So I think they've got a sedan, an SUV, and there's another one as well. A very successful day, as predicted. And essentially what they've done is they've created a battery that's better than Tesla's. It's bigger, so it's got a greater mileage capacity. And also they've got a scheme about where instead of buying the whole car, including the battery, you actually only buy the car and the battery is actually leased. So when it comes to replacing the battery, which obviously in an electric car is very expensive, instead of having to fork out for a new one, it's just leased again. So that's a huge benefit to Nio. Now, they have actually been making a huge loss for the past couple of years. So they've been going about 6 to 7 years. And having a look at their balance sheet and their financial statements and profit and loss, they've actually been making huge losses, but they've got Chinese government funding for the next 5 years, and they have had for the last 3 or 4 years, I think it is. So definitely they've got money behind them, and if you look at their financial statements and their profit and loss, it actually shows that the loss getting a lot lower each year, and also the earnings per share has increased massively over the past couple of years. So yeah, in terms of financial position, they've definitely got a lot better, and I think this year and 2022 is going to be the year where they start to see really high sales and a lot lower costs. And I think generally speaking it will increase the stock price. If you don't already follow me on Instagram, it's Rob Lane's Hustle Game, and I put a post up about this probably about a week ago now, by the date that this video goes live, and I put out a post saying basically to buy these shares as soon as, really. So I managed to get onto these at $53 per share, and I think today that they've risen to $63 to $65 per share, and that's just over 1 day. So there's the huge potential. You can definitely see these the share price rising to at least $100 per share, if not more. So yeah, having seen my portfolio and my investments at the moment, Nio is obviously the best one, my best performing one. And a lot of questions that I'm getting at the moment on Instagram is whether to invest now, whether it's too late. I certainly would advise you to actually invest in these shares. I don't think the price really is going to drop. Obviously you can't trust me because I'm no absolute investment guru, but I can only see it going up. It's a very good company. They've got the Chinese government backing for the funding, so I don't really see what can go wrong. The Nio Day was absolutely sensational, and they got exactly what they wanted out of it. So yeah, if I was to advise you of whether to buy it or not, I certainly would advise you to buy them. But again, it's invest at your own risk, and I would never put my whole savings into this. It's only money that you can afford to lose. Unlike Forex, where prices can obviously change quite often, shares only tend to go one way. Obviously they can go up and down, but it tends to be with the bigger companies that they generally go up. Just a quick one guys, just please remember that share prices can actually drop quite a lot. So it isn't risk free, but it certainly isn't as risky as Forex trading. So yeah, that's not to say that it's always going to go up. There is a potential risk that share prices can drop quite a lot. But generally speaking, if you research your investments and make sure to invest in a big company, that you aren't really going to find that the share price drops dramatically, and only tends to really increase. So you can get some sort of idea of what companies do and whether they're going to be successful in the future and long term, short term, whatever. So yeah, it's a lot more safer than Forex. Definitely I would advise it to start and invest in, even if it's only a small amount. Trading 212 actually do an offer, so that when you sign up through this link that I'll give you in the description, all you need to do is deposit £1 into your account onto the Trading 212 Invest, and both me and yourself will get a share that's worth up to £100. So it's a win-win, really, completely free. All you need to do is deposit £1. You can just withdraw that £1 if you wish and you don't want to trade. It's entirely up to you. So yeah, it was just a little update about the Nio stocks, because I've had a lot of requests on Instagram saying that they'd like a video on these Nio stocks and what to do. So yeah, I hope you enjoyed it. I've got a lot of more videos coming out. I'm just in the process of filming them, editing them, and yeah, just getting all the work finished. If you can start following me on Instagram, that would be great. Rob Lane's Hustle Game. So if you did like the video and you found it useful, please give it a like. Comment if you want any help or anything that you think I can improve on. And yeah, and please hit that subscribe button. It means so much to me, and I'll catch you on the next one. Peace.